all from the dust to the throne. Every hidden deed, every seed that's sown, the wages of sin is a graveyard stone, but mercy still calls the wanderer home. Choose this day who you're gonna serve. Steel your heart, stay true, hold firm, don't swerve. The fire tests gold, the wheat from the chaff. The righteous stand still when the wicked don't last. So whatever is lovely, noble and true, think on these things and all the things that you do. You can recognize a man by his fruits, whether he grows strong or has withering roots. By his works you can surely spot him. You can always tell by his actions when the fruit be sinful and rotten. You reap what you sow, no dispute. So some please don't befriend men of ill repute. Drinking and gambling, stealing and rambling, hiding knives inside their boots, always being quick to shoot. A soft word turns away wrath, but anger stirs the flame. Pride goes before the fall, and the haughty man meets shame. Walk narrow like the path that the good book wrote. Wide roads lead to ruin, son, don't follow where they go. Iron sharpens iron, choose your brothers wise. A faithful man stands firm when temptation tests his eyes. Do justly, love mercy, keep your heart clean, for the Lord weighs every step, every word, every deed. The Lord sees all from the dust to the throne. Every hidden deed, every seed that's sown. The wages of sin is a graveyard stone, but mercy still calls the wanderer home. Choose this day who you're gonna serve. Steel your heart, stay true, hold firm, don't swerve. The fire tests gold, the wheat from the chaff. The righteous stand still when the wicked don't last. So whatever is lovely, noble and true, think on these things and all the things that you do. Doors, please stay true. Don't be putting on the harlot's shoes. Men may say you're pretty, but oh, what a pity when hell bells be ringing for you. Beauty fades like grass beneath the summer sun, but a woman who fears the Lord, she's the blessed one. Guard your heart above all, that's the word's decree, for out of it flow the rivers of life and destiny. Be clothed in strength and honor, not silk or gold. A gentle tongue speaks wisdom worth more than silver sold. Let your yes be yes, your no stand fast. A virtuous crown outshines the fleeting past. The wise woman builds her house stone by stone, with faith for a roof and truth for the home. The Lord sees all from the dust to the throne. Every hidden deed, every seed that's sown. The wages of sin is a graveyard stone, but mercy still calls the wanderer home. Choose this day who you're gonna serve. Steel your heart, stay true, hold firm, don't swerve. The fire tests gold, the wheat from the chaff. The righteous stand still when the wicked don't last. So whatever is lovely, noble and true, think on these things in all the things that